The winning washing machine has been working for some time now. It has finished the wash cycle and now it is on the rinse. So you can see it has been rinsing pretty well. I'm gonna switch it off and rinse the water. And I have filled it to the top just to see what happens. So it does sprinkle water out a little bit, so got to make sure not to overfill it. And it does have a nice handle to operate, and it has those sticky parts so that it doesn't run off the surface while it is cleaning. So I'm maneuvering it on the side because I have a sink here to drain the water, so it has a good flow. And this is how the clothes comes about. I do have stains on these, but those stains are permanent, so I'm not worried about them. But overall it did clean the clothes. I can feel also nice clean feeling of these clothes. So I think it did decent job overall working. So once it is done draining, then I'm gonna spin it in the spinner. This basket comes along with this machine, so it has a slot to go over the spinning part, and then you can just place all your clothes inside and we can check how good the spinning would it do. So take all precaution because it is electricity and water you're working with. So all precaution for the electric hazard to be taken care of. So water is draining out. You can do a little bit of more draining manually. Less is better, less work for the machine. And squeeze out a little bit more. You can see. Place these clothes inside this basket and have it sit. You can see that spinning slots, and this has to go over accordingly. You can make it sit and put the lid on. I'm gonna run it for 10 minutes with the area for the drainage on. You have to hold it because it is during the spinning time it is trying to run off a little bit, probably because the parts were not stuck on the surface. So I have my cable come under. Now it is much secure. So you can see it is working. cycle is for 10 minutes. So I'm not going to wait for the 10 minutes, but you can very well see it's kind of working fine. It went both ways, forward and backward. So far so good. I think it is doing a decent job. The only thing you have to take care of is the rinsing cycle. When you are rinsing the clothes, just leave the spout open and dump couple of jugs of water while the cycle was running. That's what I did to let all the soap run out. I had put a little bit extra soap, so it was really very frothy. So it took me 5-6 times to rinse out and drain the soapy part. And once that is done, you can run another cycle to drain out the clothes. But for the video sake, I didn't do that. And then you can put it in the spinner and dry a little bit more. So that's what it is. If you want to do the hand run, you can wring it out with your hand, or you can use the machine. Either way is fine. The caution I have to tell is I'm not sure about the durability of this product, because this whole thing is made out of plastic. This whole thing, since it is foldable, it is made up of plastic, and so it may not be long lasting. You have to take care of that part. And still, I have to see how long does it last. I think otherwise it costs somewhere between $40 to $50 at that temu website, but I got it for $5-6, so it is a good deal even to try it out. And you can check it out yourself if you want to try this tiny little washing machine, or just do the chore with your hand. So that's it for this product review from my side. Let me know in the comment section what do you think.